Did you know some air pistols rival firearms in power and precision? Let's dive into the best ones you can own right now. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the top 7 most powerful air pistols in the world for 2025, each one a masterpiece of design, performance, and fun. Whether you're into training, plinking, or just looking to add a high-performance pistol to your collection, this list has something for everyone. Pro tip: stick around until the end because the air pistol AT1 is a complete game changer and you don't want to miss it. Also, check the links in the description for these products. They're all available on Amazon. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which pistol is your favorite. Ready? Let's get started. 7. Springfield Armory 1911 Mil-Spec. We start with the Springfield Armory 1911 Mil-Spec CO2 blowback air pistol, a near-perfect replica of the iconic 1911 firearm. What makes it special? Its full metal construction, realistic grip angle, and functional slide lock make it indistinguishable from the .45 ACP version. Performance: it fires BBs at 320 FPS, delivering accurate shots at both 10 yards for paper targets and up to 40 yards for steel. Well, fun factor: minimal noise, almost no recoil, and an 18-inch BB magazine mean endless fun for new and experienced shooters alike. This pistol isn't just a tool, it's an experience, ideal for plinking, training, or simply having a blast at the range. 6. ASG CZ Shadow 2 CO2 BB Airgun. Next, the ASG CZ Shadow 2 stands out with its precision and premium build quality. Key stats: powered by CO2, it fires BBs at 283 FPS with remarkable consistency, even in cooler weather. Accuracy: at 30 feet, this pistol achieved tight 2-inch groupings during field tests, and its adjustable sights make fine-tuning a breeze. Why it shines: with a nearly 3-pound weight and strong blowback action, this pistol feels substantial and balanced in hand. Sure, it's priced higher, but if you're after realism and craftsmanship, this pistol delivers both in spades. 5. ASG Dan Wesson 715 CO2 Revolver. Moving to revolvers, the ASG Dan Wesson 715 CO2 Airgun Revolver is a masterpiece of authenticity and performance. Design: from its stainless-like finish to ergonomic Hogue-style grips, this revolver is as real as it gets. Features: a swing-out cylinder, D357 Magnum-style cartridges, and a double-acted trigger offer an authentic revolver experience. Performance: with 381 FPS and consistent 2.2-inch groupings, it's both powerful and precise. However, keep track of those cartridges. If you're a revolver enthusiast, the Dan Wesson 715 is an absolute joy to own and shoot. Rebus de Plasma. 4. Sig Sauer 1911 Emperor Scorpion. The Sig Sauer 1911 Emperor Scorpion BB pistol takes realism to the next level, making it a favorite among trainers and hobbyists. What stands out? Functional ambidextrous safeties, realistic blowback action, and superb build quality. Performance: it maxes out at 278 FPS, but excels in accuracy, hitting soda can-sized targets at 6 yards with ease. Value: priced at $109.99, it offers a great balance of quality and affordability. This pistol is perfect for those who appreciate detailed craftsmanship and realistic shooting experiences. 3. Sig Sauer P365 Steel BB. The Sig Air P365 BB pistol is compact, powerful, and incredibly realistic, an ideal training tool for concealed carry firearm owners. Performance: it exceeds its claimed velocity of 295 FPS, reaching 298 FPS in testing. Accuracy is impressive at close range, with tight groupings at 6 yards. Build: it mirrors the original P365 in size, weight, and controls, making it a great training companion. Downside: shot count is lower, around 60 per CO2 cartridge, but its under $80 price tag makes it a great value. Compact, reliable, and packed with features, the P365 punches well above its weight, indexed and fitted with 3 times maximum recoil space and with ammo sufficient for running a large classical training group of 8 or 9 men. Gen 3, Gen 3 Gen 3. SL. The Umarex Glock 19 CO2 BB gun delivers top-tier realism and performance for an unbeatable price. Realism. Identical dimensions, weight, and even branding to the real Glock 19 Gen 3 make this pistol stand out. Performance. With a blazing 412 FPS, it's the fastest pistol on this list, perfect for target shooting or training. Why its great non-blowback design means better velocity and up to 96 shots per CO2 cartridge. At around $70, this pistol offers incredible value for Glock fans and airgun enthusiasts alike. 1 ASG Cobray Ingram M11. Finally, the champion, the ASG Cobray Ingram M11 NBV CO2 BB machine pistol. Performance. With a velocity of 399 FPS, it delivers power and accuracy in equal measure. Accuracy. Achieves a solid 2.5-inch grouping at 30 feet with open sights. Why it wins. Its Mach 11-inspired design, semi-auto capability, and raw fun factor make it a clear standout. Fast, stylish, and incredibly powerful, the Cobray Ingram M11 is hands down the best air pistol of 2023. Final thoughts. And that's a wrap on the top 7 most powerful air pistols in the world 2025. Each of these pistols brings something unique to the table, but the ASG Cobray Ingram M11 takes the top spot for its unmatched combination of power, precision, and fun. Which pistol is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab your favorite air pistol today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.